Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, here I welcome you all in your computer class. In this class, we will start up chapter number 6 of your book, and the name of the chapter is More Tools of MS Paint. Okay, this is a chapter name. The name of the chapter is More Tools of MS Paint. So, my dear learners, in the first class, we already discussed about what is MS Paint and what are their uses. Okay. Now, in this chapter, we will see some more about it. What is MS Paint? What are the things that we can do in MS Paint? Okay. What are the features? What are the some other special features of MS Paints? Okay. So, we will see MS Paint in depth in this chapter, in this class. Okay. So let's start. Let's start our class. Okay. So, hi friends. Now that we are familiar with more uses of the computer parts, it's time to try our hands on the computer. Okay. You have learned about some components of the paint window in the previous class. Now I will tell you more about drawing and painting tools of paint. Okay, we will see some paint options that we can use in the MS Paint. With the help of MS Paint, how we can able to draw something, how we can able to we can say color something, all these things. Okay, so let's start. Let's have a look. First, how to open a paint. How we can open MS Paint? This is important thing. Okay, so to make drawing in a paint, we first need to open the paint program. The steps to open paint are, so how we can able to open the paint program? Let's see some of the steps. First, click on the start button. Which button you have to click? Start button. Second, in the search text box, type paint. In the search box here we can see type paint option. Okay, the search box is there on the bottom of your desktop. Third is, in the list of search result, the paint program, or press enter on it. Here the paint program is mentioned. See the picture, see the icon also. So with the help of the name of when you mention paint, the paint program is there. Click on it. Okay. Then the paint window will appear on your computer screen. Then your paint is open. That is there on your computer screen. Okay. Now, using tools groups. So, the tools groups that is there in MS Paint. Let's see what are their roles. Okay. So, the tool groups of Paint contain many tools that can be used to perform different functions. For example, pencil, eraser, curve, etc. With the help of these tools, we can make a creative drawing in Paint. So, with the help of some tools that is there, erasers, curve, pencils, okay, colors, with the help of these tools we can able to make very beautiful drawings in the MS Paint. Okay, so to use any tools in tool groups, follow the given steps. So let's see, let's have a look on the steps that is there that you have to follow if you want to draw something on the MS Paint. First, simply click on the tool and the tool will be selected. Click on the tool which you want to do, which you want to use. If you want to use pencil, if you want to use highlighter, if you want to use any tool, press it. Toolbox is there. We already discussed. This is the toolbox. In the toolbox, we have brushes, we have we can say we have brushes, we have pencil, we have eraser, we have magnifiers. Okay. Next, move the pointers to the drawing area. Then move that part. Select the tool and move it into the drawing area. Now press and hold the left button of the mouse to use the tool. Then only you can use that tool. So these are the 3 steps you have to follow if you want to use any tool. Okay. Pencil tool. The pencil tool is used to draw freehand lines, curves or drawing just as we use a pencil to draw on a paper. So the pencil line is also there to what we can call it's similar as we can draw anything on a paper. The pencil line is same as on a computer also. So let's learn to use this tool. How we can use the pencil tool? The pencil is here on your toolbox. Here we can see I highlighted it also, this part. Okay, this is pencil tool. So first choose the pencil tool from the tool group. The mouse pointer change to the pencil. Okay, now the mouse pointer changes into pencil because you have to select pencil. Next, choose the color of the pencil from the color box located in the color group. So in the color groups, we have the pencil color of the pencils are there. You can choose the color of pencil which you want to draw, which you want to use. You can choose red pencil, green pencil, orange pencil, any color you can choose with the color palette that is there in the upper side of the MS Paint. Now, third, now move the pointer to the drawing area. Fourth, press and hold the left mouse button and draw anything in the drawing area. Then select that pencil and move into the drawing area and move anything. Like here, it is drawing an apple shape. Okay. And fifth, release the mouse button. The object will be drawn. Here we can see the object is drawn on the drawing screen. Can you see here? This is the thing. Okay, so with the help of pencil tool, we can able to draw anything. Now we will see curve tool is also there in the toolbox. In the shape tool, we can see a curve line is also there. There are different shapes also there. The curve line is also there in the toolbox. Let's see their role, their function. Okay. The curve tools help us to draw curve lines in the drawing areas. So in the drawing areas, if you want to draw, make curves, we can use the curve tool. We need to follow the given steps to draw curve lines. So we have to follow some rules, some steps to draw a curve on it. Okay. First, click on the curve tool from the tool group. Okay. Second, choose the color and thickness of the line by clicking on the color tab. So here we can see the thickness of the curve is also been increased or decreased. Okay. So we can use it. Next, go to the drawing areas. Press the left mouse button, drag the mouse pointer to the draw the curve. Then point it on the drawing areas. Then your curve should be ready. Next, fifth is release the mouse button, and sixth, the curve will be drawn. Here in the picture, we can see the curve is drawn in the drawing areas. Okay, so here we can draw. Now, fill with colors. You made a drawing, and if you want to make it very colorful, how we can make it colorful? Let's have a look. So this tool is used to fill color in our drawing. We need to follow the given steps to fill colors. So we have to follow some steps if you want to fill your drawing with colors. So what are the steps? First, go to the color groups, choose any color from the color box. So you can choose the color box is there. Here we can see in the color box, you can choose any color, whatever the colors that you want to do. Okay. Next, click the fill with colors tool. Third, bring the mouse pointer on the object in which you want to fill the color. And fourth, then click once on the object, then object will be filled with desired colors. So the desired colors to be filled on your object, whatever the colors you want to make your houses to be. Okay. So fill the color should be that you can color your objects anything according to your choice. Okay. Next, selecting the foreground color. So what's that? So here we can see color 1 and 2. So here it should be a object color, it should be a background color also there. Okay, you can change your background color. Instead of white, you can change with yellow, purple, green and orange. Okay. So foreground colors is used to choose the pencil or brush color for drawing. Let's follow the steps for foreground colors. So if you want to color, for example, if I want to make it very colorful like this, I want to make it with blue color. So I will choose it. Okay. So that's why my circle should be filled with blue color like this. Okay. This color should be there. Okay. Blue, green, whatever the color you want to make. If I want to make some other colors like orange or something like that, so I will select that thing. Okay. Then my square and circle will automatically be colored in that way, whatever I want to do, whatever I want. Okay. So according to my choice, I can choose it. So first is go to the color group, click on color 1 button and choose the color you want to set as a foreground color. Now click fill with colors tool and fill the object with that color. Okay, just select that color will appear here only. Then that color should be on your object. Okay, now selecting the background color. If you want to select the background color, so you can change your background color also. Okay, so let's see how. Background color is the color that you fill in the object as background. So in the background, if you want to fill any color, you can choose it. Okay, like how we can choose it, the process is given below. First, click on the color group, click on the color 2. In the color 2 box, we can go. Color 1 ni color 2 box. So color 2 box is given below. So color 1 is for the object color 2 is for the background color. If you want to change your background color, instead of white, you want to change with orange, green, purple, you have to go with color 2. Click on color 2 tab for choosing the color for the background. Third, click on the fill with color tab. Fourth, then click right on the object to fill the background color in the object. Next, choose the color will fill in the object. Then choose the color you want to fill in that object. Okay. So this is how we can do. Now, pick color tool. So how we can pick the color tool? Let's see. This tool helps us to pick color from one object and fill it into another object. So one color you have to pick and that color you have to fill in another object. This is also we can do it. So we need the we need to follow the given steps to use these features. So we have to follow some steps. Okay, let's see what are the steps. First, draw any shapes in the drawing areas. Just draw any shapes. For example, a circle, you can draw it. Second, next go to the color group and click on color 2 tab. So in color 2 tab, we can do it, we can choose it. Okay, choose any color according to your choice. Okay, take the mouse and shape your drawing area. So here I want to make my circle with orange color, so the circle should be in orange color. Can you see? Now the shape filled with that color. Okay, whatever color you can choose, that shape will be filled that color. Next, then draw any other shape in the drawing areas. For example, a rectangle. Now we can make some other shapes in the drawing area, and this shape is also filled with orange color. So now click pick color tool and from the tool group. So in the tool groups we have that pick color tools. The pointer will change to the eyedropper image. So eyedropper image is also there. Here we will see. Here we will see the eyedropper image. Okay, the image, the shape of that is just like a eyedropper. Okay, now click on the circle. The mouse pointer will automatically change into fill with colors tool and pick the color in the circle. So automatically the circle color and the we can say square color is the same one, that is orange color with the help of eyedropper image. Okay, now move the mouse pointer to the rectangle and click once and apply that color. The rectangle will also have filled with the same color. Now we can see both the shapes have same colors. Okay, this is how we can do. Okay, now one activity is for you. Look at the drawing given below. Tick the tools which you will use to pick orange color from the board and fill it in the sun. So here you have to color it only. Okay, that is the main thing you want to do. Okay, so pick at the tool which you want to use to pick orange color from the board. So orange color for the board and fill it with the fill it in the sun. So in the sun also you want to do orange color. So what you have to pick? Eyedropper. So that's why the same will be automatically covered into the sun. Okay. Now we will see adding text in a drawing area. Here we can see we have to add a text on a drawing area. We can draw something on that area also, and we can add some text also. So how we can do? Let's have a look. Friends, do you know that other than drawing, we can also add text in the drawing areas? Which tool we can use? If you want to add a text on a drawing area, which tool we can use? Let's see which tool. We use the text tool for adding text in the drawing areas of a pane. To do so, following steps are there. So these are the steps if you want to add the text on a drawing area. First, click on the text tool from the toolbox. So toolbox, the text tool is there. Here we can see the mouse pointer will be changed into plus symbol. Now the plus symbol should be there. Click and drag the mouse pointer for the drawing areas. A dotted rectangular box should be appear here. The rectangular box should be appear, will be inserted with the blinking cursor. This will be the text box. So this is the text box. In the text box, you can able to write anything. Next, fifth is type the text in the box. So in the box, you can type your text. Whatever you want to type, you can type in the text box. This is how we can type anything. Okay, I'm hoping so this thing is clear. Now we will see saving a drawing. If you want to save your drawing, whatever you are made on in MS Paint, you want to save it also. So how we can save it? Let's see. So friends, once you have drawn an object in a paint, you can save the drawing on the computer so that it can be used later. So how we can save? Let's have a look. We need to follow the given steps to save our drawing on the computer. First is click on the file menu. Second, choose the option save as. In the file menu, in the left side, we can see have a file menu and the save as option is there. Save as dialog box should be appear on your screen. Choose location where you want to save your files and type the name in the file box. Click on save button, then your file becomes safe in the computer. This is how we can save your work. I'm hoping so this thing is clear. So this chapter is all about, I'm hoping so this chapter is totally clear to you. So that's all my dear learners for this class. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.